Vicks VapoRub, a popular remedy for the common cold, has been used for over 125 years and is known for its distinct smell. The ointment contains 3 active ingredients: camphor oil, menthol oil, and eucalyptus oil. When the jar is opened, the oils are released into the air, providing relief from cough and congestion when inhaled. The exact mechanism of how Vicks VapoRub works for congestion is not fully understood. Some evidence suggests that the cooling effect of menthol creates a sensation of easier breathing, while others propose that the strong smell may distract from the feeling of stuffiness. Nevertheless, when used correctly, Vicks VapoRub is considered safe, affordable, and does not lead to rebound congestion, making it a popular choice for alleviating cold symptoms worldwide. Contrary to some beliefs, there is no scientific evidence to support the claim that applying Vicks VapoRub to the feet helps relieve cold symptoms. The manufacturer only recommends rubbing the ointment on the chest or neck because the scent needs to be inhaled to experience its effects. When applied to the feet, the oils have a longer distance to travel to reach the nose, and if covered with socks or blankets, the likelihood of the vapors reaching the nostrils is minimal. To use Vicks VapoRub effectively, the manufacturer provides simple instructions. First, rub a layer of the ointment on the chest or the front of the neck. It is important to keep the area loosely covered with clothing or unbuttoned, or alternatively, remove the shirt entirely, to allow the oils to diffuse easily. The ointment can be applied up to 3 times a day or as recommended by a healthcare provider. Following these guidelines can optimize the effectiveness of Vicks VapoRub in providing relief from cough and congestion. In summary, Vicks VapoRub is a well-known remedy for the common cold that contains camphor oil, menthol oil, and eucalyptus oil. Inhaling the vapors of these oils may offer relief from cough and congestion. However, there is no scientific evidence to support the claim that applying the ointment to the feet is effective. The manufacturer recommends rubbing it on the chest or neck, ensuring that the scent can be easily inhaled. By following these instructions, individuals can use Vicks VapoRub safely and effectively to alleviate cold symptoms. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more daily health tips. Thanks for watching.